Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 57 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 57 portfolio with you. I'm going to have a look at the Nasdaq and Tesla charts to see where the price may be going. And I'm also going to have a look at MACD, RSI and the candlesticks for Tesla to see where the price may be headed to. So let's get into it. So it's day 57, 17th of February 2022. I've got two portfolios, A and B. In portfolio A, I've got under 121 shares. In portfolio B, just under 91 shares. So that's day 57, 17th of February 2022. I added about £400 worth yesterday. So that's increased my position size. So the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla is just over 211 and a half shares in Tesla. So my ultimate target is to build this position to 300 shares. So I'm 70.6% of the way there. I've got another 29.4% to go. So slowly and surely I'm getting there. I'm dollar cost averaging into this share and I'm buying during the dip. So my target is to build my position to 300 shares as soon as possible. So that's the total shares that I have in Tesla. So what's been happening in the market? So it's day 57 of 1000. Tesla has dipped about 4.5%. So it's trading at $882 now. So if I multiply that with the number of shares that I hold, which is just over 211 and a half, I have a portfolio total of $186,885.09. So at its peak, my portfolio was valued around $250,000. So it's gone all the way down to $186,000. So, be patient. As a long-term investor, I'm patient. I'm looking at least 1000 days as my investment horizon. And then after that, I'm probably going to keep this as a forever stock. So for me as a long-term investor, I'm not too worried. I'm not too concerned about these daily fluctuations. I know that this is inevitable. I know that it's not going to go up in a straight line. There's going to be dips. There's going to be rises. There's going to be excitement in the market. There's going to be, anxiety in the market. This share is very volatile. It's going to go up and down quite wildly. So I'm prepared for that. I've mentally prepared myself for this. And I've said that no matter what, I'm going to keep this position open for at least 1000 days. So that's day 57 of 1000. So now let's get into the technical analysis side of things. So let's have a look at the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So this is the Nasdaq in candlesticks. I've got the support and resistance all marked up. The red line represents the MA200. The blue line represents the MA50. So if I zoom into it, you can see today is a down day. So I think it's the Nasdaq is down about 2.5%. So what I think is going to happen now is going to go down to the next support, which is about 13,700. So it's probably gonna settle there and try and go up even more. If there's continued bad news in the market, if there's more sell-off, it's gonna break this level and it might go down all the way to 13,000. So we just have to watch and be careful. And if you have money on the side, this is like a great opportunity to buy great companies for cheap prices. So that's the Nasdaq 1 year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1 year chart. So as you can see, I've got it all marked up in candlesticks. The price movement is in candlesticks. I've got the support and resistance lines marked in green, horizontal lines, and I've also got the trend lines going up marked in blue and the trend lines going down marked in red. So as you can see, Tesla is trending down at the moment. It has been trending down now for a while now. So since November, it's been trending down. So if we zoom into it, we can see that Tesla today has broken the 900 level, which was really good support. So that's been broken. Now what we have to see is, is price going to close below this level? If it does, it's probably broken and it's going to go down to 850 again. If it's not, if it goes above the 900 level, then if it stays there, then it's probably going to go to the 950 level. So again, we just need to watch. But I know all my price levels like the back of my hand. If it goes to 900 and I have money, I'm going to buy. If it goes to 850 and I have money, I'm going to buy. If it goes to 828 and I have money, I'm going to buy. Then 775, then 700 and 625. So, I'm not too concerned about the price going down. For me, it's actually a good thing because I can reach my target of 300 shares with less money, and that is, my target. Use as least the lowest amount of capital to achieve my 300 shares in Tesla. So that is the Tesla 1 year chart. Let's have a look at the Tesla 6-month chart, which is a bit zoomed in. If you zoom in, we can see the same thing. So we've broken the 900 level. If you look at the right hand side, it's probably now going to go down to 850. If it breaks down, then it's 823. So this is a great way to visualize what may happen and what you're going to do at every level. So be very mechanical about it. Don't just pray and hope it's going to go up. Just think to yourself, be very logical. Think, if it goes to 850, what am I going to do? Am I going to sell? No. Is this a great company? Yes. Shall I buy more? Yes. And then you're being very mechanical, methodical, logical, and you're trying to process your emotions at the same time, and this really helps. So I've got my plan all laid out in my mind. If it keeps on going down, I'm going to try and buy more at 850 if I have the money. If it goes to 828, I'm going to buy more. If it goes to 775, I'm going to buy more. So everything in my mind has been rehearsed. All the scenarios have been rehearsed. So when it goes down to these levels, I'm not going to panic. I'm not going to be worried. I'm just going to deploy the cash if I have any at these prices, and then buy this great company at really low prices. So that's the Tesla 6-month analysis. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis now. So if we zoom in, you can see that the RSI has dipped down to 42.81. So it's almost reaching 50. But there was bad news in the market, bad news for Tesla, and it's gone down again. But if you can see, it's still above the previous low. So if it turns around now and it forms a higher low, then there's going to be a positive move upwards. Then eventually, if it goes over the 50 level, then the bulls are going to be controlled and the momentum is going to be upwards. So what I'm saying is, now that it's under 50, it's going down. This is a great buying opportunity for long-term investors. And I'm just hoping that I can raise enough money to buy under $900. Anything under 1,000 for me is a great price. Anything lower than 900 is even better. Lower than 800, even better. So as you can see, the lower it goes, the better it is for me, because I'll be getting more return from my money. So that's the RSI analysis. Let's have a look at the MACD analysis now. So as you can see, the two lines, the red line and the black line, it was widening before the gap, but now it's starting to narrow again. Also, the histogram is going down as well. So again, a lot of whipsawing going. There is no clear direction. It's going up one day, down one day, up, down. There's no clear direction upwards or downwards. This will eventually be determined, and Tesla will go down more, or either it will go up more. So you just have to be patient. But during these consolidation periods, these are great times to buy, because the price is like fluctuating between certain levels, and this is a good price to buy, because eventually it's either going to go up or down. If it goes down, you can buy more. If it goes up, then at least you had that consolidation period to buy as much as you wanted to. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at the candlestick analysis. So today's candlestick is a solid red. It hasn't got any downward wick, which means like the bears are completely in control, and that's why they've completely broken or demolished that 900 support level. So what I suspect is, if the bulls don't come in and push the price back up above 900 and the bears are in control, eventually tomorrow most likely it may go down to 850. So again, if you have money, if I had money available, I'd probably be deploying a little bit today and then deploying more tomorrow at 850. So great buying opportunities that are passing by, and I wish I had more money so I could take advantage. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So the first key point is Tesla has broken the $900 support again. There is weakness in the market and there is weakness in Tesla stock. If Tesla closes below 900, it is likely to go down to the next support level at 850, which again, I want to reiterate for myself, it's a great buying opportunity for long-term investors who have long horizons. So the next key point is MACD crossover is narrowing, which means the bears are fighting back. The histogram is also falling, but it is still in positive territory. So again, the bears are trying to take control, the bulls are there. So it's no clear direction yet. It's just like a tug of war at the moment, and no one is winning. So eventually a direction will be determined over the long term, and then hopefully it's going to keep on going up. But again, during these times of uncertainty, during these times of, you know, fear and anxiety and depression, this is when people who buy are rewarded over the long term. So, you know, just think of it like that. This is a great opportunity. No one's interested in Tesla. They're selling it. This is a great opportunity to buy. If you believe in your thesis, then believe, and you believe in this company, then you will be rewarded for your patience and perseverance. The next thing is, the next key point to remember is RSI has dipped more, but it is still higher than the previous low. So if it does turn around and there's like the previous low is lower than the low at the moment, then, you know, it's going upwards, there's more strength, and then eventually if it breaks above the 50 level, then the bulls are going to be in control. But at the moment, the bears are in control when it comes to RSI, and, you know, this is a great time to buy anything under the 40 level. You know, is when the RSI drops below 40, this is a great point to buy. If it drops under 30, again, it's a great point to buy. So just be aware of these levels as well, not just the price levels, but also the RSI level. So if RSI was to go below 30, this would be a great buying opportunity, probably one of the best buying opportunities ever. So those are the key points to remember. So again, I'm just going to share my buying levels with you. So I've got it at 900, 850, 824 and 750. So know what you're going to do at these levels. Have a plan in your mind. If the price drops to these levels, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell your position and go home, or are you going to, you know, buy more because you know that this is a great company? So know in your mind what you're going to do, so, you know, you can implement your plan, you can execute your plan. You're not going to buy and sell based on your emotions, which is the last thing that you should do as a long-term investor. So what is my plan now? So my plan is the same as yesterday. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares and buy regularly no matter what. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels, and I'm going to try and buy as much as possible under 1,000 or near the MA200. And finally, I'm not going to sell my position. I'm going to keep this open for at least another 943 days. And then after that, you know, if my price target of 3,400 is here, I should be a millionaire. And, you know, I'm going to try and hold it for as long as possible and just sell when I need to, because hopefully by then I should be financially independent and be able to retire early. So that's my plan for now. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. You know, join me on my journey to see if I can build this position to 300 shares. Join me on my journey to see if I can keep this position open for at least 1,000 days, and join me to see if my calculations are correct and if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. So join me on my journey. So finally, I appreciate any likes, and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day, and I wish you all the best.